Hate mornings but still want energy? Stop trying to hack dawn, fix dusk. Your next day vibe is earned the night before. Here are 8 simple habits that actually work. Everyone talks routines like they're morning-only rituals. Truth, the secret is your wind down. I learned this after 40. Chasing perfect mornings failed until I fixed my nights. Create a shutdown ritual. Turn off work email, dim lights, change clothes. Tell your brain the day is closed. Reset your space. Spend 2 minutes tidying counters, tidy pillows. Wake to calm, not clutter. Power down screens. Even 30 minutes without scrolling helps. Your nervous system settles and sleep deepens. Empty your mind, not your energy. Jot tomorrow's to-dos before bed. Your brain stops rehearsing and you sleep. Set a wind-down window. Pick a consistent time to stop rushing. Start slowing. Add one mindful moment. A stretch, a breath, a few pages. Tiny resets add up. Cool, dark, comfy. Sleep is maintenance, not a luxury. End with intention. Ask, what do I want tomorrow to feel like? Then let sleep do the rest. You don't need perfect mornings. Start with one of these tonight and watch how tomorrow shows up. Subscribe to 8 Tips for more tips, ideas, and information.